Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 10 days of July. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so Cancerians, let's see what's there for you for the last 10 days of July. Wow. Messages from this deck for Cancerians. Okay. Guidance from the angels. Message from the universe. Okay, Cancerians, so you've had a new beginning. Definitely you have taken some sort of a risk, some sort of a leap of faith. Already started on a new path, on a new journey, and you have some sort of calculated risk you have taken. But yes, it is a new beginning of your life, and this new beginning is something which is what I feel is a relationship and a marriage or a family or a committed relationship, at least. That's what I can say. But yes, whatever this new beginning is in your life, this is for that goal which you have in mind, that you want a commitment over here, you want a emotionally fulfilling feeling relationship over here, and you have that marriage or that long term commitment on your mind. That's what you have on your mind, and that is what you are looking for basically. Okay, and you are very clear about it. You have that clear concept in your mind that okay, now no fooling around, no nothing, no bullshit, no BS. I just want commitment. That's what is on your mind, and that is very clear to you. You have an experience, you have that knowledge, you are wise enough to understand that this is what you want. So you have that thing very clear in your head, and you are sort of moving in that direction with the clean slate. Okay, that's what you are doing. Okay, and here with the eight of wands, there is definitely a lot of communication. You are talking with somebody. There is a lot of communication going on over here, and there was something in your life which couldn't you were not able to leave behind basically, and it was something which was holding you back since a long time, and now you are able to move past it. That's what I'm getting. There was something which was holding you back, and that thing was were the experiences of the past. Something has happened in your life at some point in time that you felt held back, and now you are moving away from this situation. And what I feel here is, it is because of some sort of a communication which is coming in, which is helping you to move forward in this situation, which is helping you to move ahead in your life towards happiness. Okay, so maybe this is a communication, you have somebody in your life perhaps, or at least because you have that clarity in your mind that this is what you want, and now you have started looking for it, and that is why you are communicating with many people perhaps, because that is what you have now in your mind, that now you want a partner, you want a commitment, and you want a relationship. So perhaps you've started looking for it, and maybe that is what is the communication about. Even if you don't have somebody in your life, if you have, then maybe this is the communication is with that significant person, which is, this communication is actually helping you to release the past and move towards peace and happiness. And here with the Sun card, definitely it's talking about a lot of happiness. You have happiness. And with the Seven of Swords and with the Three of Cups, what I feel here is that maybe there was a situation that somebody was not committing. Perhaps maybe it was about non-commitment. Maybe somebody was not committing because of some reason, whatever the reason is. And maybe this communication is talking about the fact that now you want commitment, and that is what you want. And once you are making that clear, that communication is going on, and here with the Three of Cups, you are celebrating, so perhaps that commitment is coming in. So and that is the source of your happiness, and that is why you are able to release that past, or that tied up situation, whatever it was. This communication is perhaps is about the commitment. You want commitment, that's what I'm getting again and again. You want commitment, you're talking about it, and that is helping you to come out of that negativity and holding back, which you felt trapped, and it is happiness and celebration. So I think that commitment is coming in, because here we have the Five of Diamonds. So, and this is the Hierophant. But there one more thing is there, that maybe there was some sort of non-commitment or some sort of deception in that way. That is why you are feeling so trapped. So it's possible that there must have been some sort of deception, or some things were hidden from you perhaps. But what I feel here is that there is a commitment which is coming in. It is talking about a commitment. Number 6 may be of some significance for you. Open your heart. Allow your love to grow and bloom all around you. You have waited for this emotionally fulfilling experience for such a long time, and now the time has come. Make your choices by listening to your heart and then following the steps you are guided to take. Joy will lead you to vibrant and healthy life. So that's what I said. There is a commitment which is coming in, because you have made things very clear to the other person, perhaps to yourself, to the other person. If there is somebody in your life, if there is nobody, then perhaps you started looking for someone, and that's what you want basically. And you are opening up, you are releasing this past, and you are opening up, and this will be leading to happiness over here. Number 50 or number 5 may be of some significance for you. Consider your foundation. Look at how committed you are to love. So it is again looking like a family over here. It's a house. So what I feel here is that you're definitely looking for a commitment, and perhaps you are getting one also. But definitely you are very clear about it. You should, that is the foundation. That is what you are wanting, Cancerians, now. Okay, so I just hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.